Okay, so today we'll be discussing module 3, working with data. In this module, we will learn how to insert rows and columns. What is a row? Row horizontal or vertical? Row is like this. Row سطر. Okay, فإذا هو horizontal. Columns vertical. Okay, طول. Okay, فإذا الvertical أو عمودي هو الcolumns. Rows هن سطر أو بيكون horizontal. Okay. We will also be discussing how to merge, how to split, how to move cells, how to use basis special, how to use find and replace, and how to hide and unhide columns. Okay, so we start with the first one, and I think we started this last week. This is how we start Excel. Click on it, then this will open Excel. You will see how to insert rows and insert columns. I'm going to color this yellow, and I'm going to color this yellow. Okay, please try this now on your computers. Select on the column D and change the highlight or the fill color to yellow, and select on the column F and change the font, the fill color to yellow also. Done? Okay. Done? Can we continue? Okay. Now I want to insert a column between F and E. If I want to insert a column between F and E, should I click on F or should I select on E? I select on E. Between F and E, where should I select? Should I select on F or should I select on E? Okay, between F and E. Okay. If I want to select, بعمل selection على F ولا بعمل selection على E? هون I'm going to say, هون I will put 1 وهون I will put 1. I want the insert to be between 1 and 1 بين ال E وال F. بعمل selection على ال E ولا بعمل selection على ال F. If I right click on E and I did right click insert on E, the insert will be on the left على اليسار. يعني إذا قلت له هلا insert, وين نعمل insert؟ على اليسار. But then this is not right. If you want the insert to be between E and F, you select on F. Insert هيك بتضيف لك اياه بين E والF. Okay? But because everything you're going to insert, it will be inserted on the left. And between F and E. Okay, and F and E. If I select it on E, this will insert the excellent between D and E. Okay? Any question? Done. Now we continue. How to insert a row? Fine. Horizontal. Okay. If I want to insert a row similar to columns. But when I insert a row, يلا, هون I'm going to say 1, and I'm going to say 1. I want to insert a row between 3 and 4. Where should I select? On 4 or on 3? على 4. يلا, try it. Insert a row between 3 and 4. Done? Okay, I select on 4. السelection insert بيصير above ولا under؟ selection above ولا under بتصير؟ above من فوق بتعملوا selection بس طبعا insert, this will insert the row above the selected row. Okay, any question? Definitely I can insert as many columns or as many rows as I want. يعني if I selected on 4 columns and I right click then insert, this will insert 4 columns. Okay, if you selected on 4 right click insert, this will insert 4 columns مش only one. إذا عملت selection on 10 this will select insert 10. If I selected on all of these and I click insert, this will insert 9 rows. Okay, any question? Clear? Insert row, insert column, insert more than one row, insert more than one column. صح? Any question? You did not insert more than one. You don't know how to do it. If you want to insert more than one column, more than one row, I used to click, right click, insert, and this will insert one row. But if I selected on 2 rows or 3 rows, 3 قبل كان 1 هلا عملت selection on 3 and right click then insert, this will insert 3 rows. Okay, فإذا the number of selection you do then right click insert, it will be exactly the same number of the inserted columns or rows. Clear? Can we continue? Okay, فإذا we are done with this insert rows and columns. Done. The way you insert is the same بس الكولنز هن طول والروز هن عرض. Okay, merge, split and move cells. merge بكل بساطة merge is دمج. Okay, question, what is the minimum number of cells I need to merge? ما هو أقل رقم cells أنا بحاجة له حتى أعمل merge؟ أقل رقم 2 مش 1. 1 أدمج أكيد 2. هو say 1. مين بيقول واحد؟ يرفع يده. I'm saying what is the minimum number of cells required to do merge? ما هو أقل رقم من الcells you need for merge لا تدمج؟ Who say 1 يرفع يده. Not sure. What do you think? 1 or 2? What do you think? 1 or 2? 2. مين بيقول 1؟ ما حدا بيقول 1؟ واضح سؤال. How many rows, how many cells you will need to do merge? 1 or 2? 1. 1. 1. What does it mean merge? دمج. تدمج واحد بنفسه. فإذا minimum is 2. minimum 2. أقل شيء هو 2. You cannot merge one cell by itself. لأن هون هذه one cell ها. half هذا موضوع ثاني. This is something else. But I'm talking about merge. And you cannot. Excel you cannot. What is the name of this cell? What is the name of this cell? G3. I want to merge this cell by itself. بدي ادمجها بنفسها. هذا merge and center here. Click on it ما صار شيء. Click on it, nothing will change because it is already one cell. بينما if I selected on more than one cell at the same time, اللي هن 2, and I clicked on merge, these 2 cells become one cell. صاروا واحدة. Okay, and also the merge here مش بس اسمه merge, the name is merge and center. فإذا this will merge these 2 cells and put the text that you have in center. Okay, definitely we can merge as much cells as you want. Again, how to merge? We cannot merge one cell by itself. The minimum number of the minimum number of cells that we need to merge is 2. Okay, فإذا here I selected on the cell G3 and H3. Okay, I selected them. Select on them. Made selection. Okay, then after you select, you click on merge and center. This will merge these two cells into one cell. Okay, repeat the same on the range E5, I11. E5, I11. E5, I11. More revision of last week. How to select. لحظة. Listen please, sir. How to select. 1 minute. 1 minute. شباب. Stop please. Stop working. How to select. I tell like the most important thing in Excel and the most dangerous thing in Excel is selection. Okay, ركز معي بالنسبة للselection. If you don't know how to select, you cannot do anything in Excel. قلنا الماوس will have different shapes. Stop. I'm repeating for you. Mouse have different shapes. هذه الماوس هذا insertion point have different shapes. When the shape is white plus like now هو plus أبيض. When the shape is white plus you can select. Click, drag. واضح؟ Okay. When the shape is like this عنده arrows عنده أسهم you cannot select. What you can do now? You can move. يعني if the mouse is like this and you click and drag هذا you will move. Okay? Click and drag هذا move. بينما when it is plus white plus هذا select. Move ولا select؟ هلا طلع. Move. Now. Okay? Move, select. But then when it is white plus you can select. When it is arrows it's a move. Clear? هذا one. Second. When the plus is black small plus like this, what will this do? No. No. Excellent. تكرار أو fill بعبي. يعني I click here then I select down. ما في يروح هيك. يطلع لفوق أو هيك. Okay. If I put this will repeat A on all the selected cells. And similar to horizontal. يا إما horizontal يا إما vertical. ها? Or horizontal or vertical. فإذا عندي 3 ways. يا إما هلا you tell. Select, fill ولا move. Select. اعتمد fill ولا move. Fill. Okay. All the 3 things only. هلا بس one more thing. If you want to select on the column تضغط من فوق. If you want to select on a row you click here. Selection ل more than one row click and drag. Select the more than one column click and drag. من فوق على الاسم. Okay. فإذا we'll continue. I want you to do merge for the range. طيب فناو select on the range E5 I11 and merge this range. يلا شباب please try it now. Select on the range E5 I11 and merge this range. Done. E5 I11. Excellent. Everyone done? Any question? How to unmerge? شنو unmerge? Unmerge يعني يشيل الدمج. Okay, we can use the word unmerge or we can use the word split. Split يعني فصل. Okay, unmerge is removing the merge. But how you can unmerge? You click again on the merged cell and you click on unmerge. Very easy, the same place. Okay, يلا, please try it. Exactly the same place. لما تقول له merge تعمل له unmerge. هلا you can click here on the arrow or you can also click on the same cell, on the same button. كمان بتفكها نفسها. Okay, done, clear. Merge, unmerge, clear for everyone. Move cells. Do we know how to move cells? Okay, do you know how to move cells? طبعا لو عملت له unmerge. merge damage, unmerge أو split هو فصل. Okay, before we continue خلينا نحكي بالmerge والunmerge. If you have anything written here, okay, if you have anything written in one cell and you selected on this range and you merged, what will happen with the word hello? يصير بالنص. Okay, I repeat, selection on hello بالنص. هلا if I did merge شو حيصير؟ واحدة فيها هاي واحدة فيها hello. مين بيفضل hello ولا الهاي ولا اثنين؟ Both will stay. What do you think? Both will stay. Who say both and who say one of them? مين بيقول both؟ واضح شو الquestion؟ واضح الquestion؟ Now I have two cells and each cell have a text. طب يلا جربها before you tell me. Try it. You can't. قل له okay. First one. Put a text in D5 and put a text in E5. Then select on both of them, then click on merge cells. And guess which text will remain. The text that will remain is the cell or the text that exists on the first left cell اللي هي على اليسار من فوق. هي تبقى. Okay? Bye. Welcome. Okay, selection. Who will stay? Hi. Who will stay? Excellent. Who will stay? Excellent. واضح? Okay, we'll continue. فإذا we know how to merge, how to split, and how to move cells. صح؟ صح؟ فإذا we are done with this. Use paste special. How to use paste special? Wait. أول شيء, can you do paste? ولا البيست بتجي after something else? Copy ولا cut? Both. فإذا you cannot paste unless you did first copy or cut. صح؟ To be more sure about this, شوف البيست هون. شو بيها؟ اطفيها. Why? Because I haven't cut and I haven't copied. Whenever I do Control C صار تضويط. The paste will be open. صح؟ Okay. I will do this again. I'm going to copy now. Control C and the paste was turned on. What I'll do is the following. I'm going to type 5 here. And I'm going to type 6 here. And here I want to calculate the sum of H9 and I9. How can I do this? I will say. لا, without, you have Excel. What we did this last week. What should I do? Yes, some, but we can do something else because we only have two numbers here. شو قبل H, before H. No, it's a formula. The formula should start with what? Yeah, in English, equal. Then click on H9 plus I9. Okay, then enter. صح? Try this. يلا, try this. Type 5 in H10, type 6 in sorry, type 5 in H9, type I in H9, then here equal H9 plus I9, equal plus, equal. Done, 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 done. Go. طيب شباب, try another one. You choose the numbers. Choose any number you want. مالها بالاتش 10 والاي 10. Equal. First click on the first number. Plus click on the second. ليه يا شباب؟ واضح؟ Before we continue, I will ask you a question. كوبي شو بتعمل؟ تنسخ الكوبي. كوبي. اوكي. والبيست same value صح؟ يعني if I copy this number here, I will zoom in. Do you know how to zoom in? On plus or minus, شفتوا؟ Okay. If I copy this cell here and I want to paste this number here, I'm going to copy. Control, copy. Then right click, paste. Okay. If I clicked on paste, what is the number that will appear here? 11. ما حدا يجربها before you start, before you try. يعني هو 11. Same number because I copied 11. If I'm going to paste, what I'm going to paste? 11. هذا مشغول. But I copied 11. And if I'm going to paste, this will paste. Sure. Who don't agree with this? أنا عملت copy 11. If I'm no, don't try it. Don't try it. If I'm going to paste, I will paste. Sure. 11. اللي هو 5 plus 6 اللي هو 11. طب جربوا هلا. Try it now. And tell me what is the value that you saw. 0. 0. شو says 11. 0. When I copied 11 كيف صار 0؟ 0. وش؟ واحدة خليها على وش الفيرست one. اوكي اكسل من لك بيست. فاذا واي وين يا شباب شو done 0 okay excellent. If I'm going to copy this number here, copy, then I'm going to paste it. I'm going to use Control V. I will see 0. Why? Because even that here you are seeing in this cell 11, but in fact the value of this cell is not 11. Really what you have in this cell is not 11. What you have in this cell is H9 plus I9. When you click here, Excel will understand that this value, Shabab, please stop and listen to me because what I'm going to say is very important. Excel will think, or Excel understand that this cell اللي اسمه G9 have the number before it plus the number before it. Here, cell L11, what the value is showing here is the cell before it plus the cell before it. Then as if I clicked here, okay, لأنه هيدا ما في بقلبه 11 هيدا في بقلبه this cell plus this cell. And when I copy this and I paste it here, this will show you the cell before. So because plus the cell this before. Cell here is showing this cell here is showing this number plus this number, and when I'm copying the cell and pasting, it is showing copy. It is showing 0 because it is showing the cell before it plus the cell before it. In order to solve this problem, what should we do? If I want to copy this and I want to paste the exact number اللي هو 15, copy, then you click, right click, instead of using paste all, I'm going to choose paste values. بيعمل copy وبيعمل paste للقيمة اللي شايفها أمامك. Okay? يلا please try this. Copy then paste value. هيدا ال paste value هو paste special. Okay, this paste value is what we call paste special. Okay, more than this, listen please, sir. More than this, if this cell was yellow, والfont was like this red. Control C Control V هياخدها معه. اوكي هلا اذا عملت Control C رايت كليك paste special values بياخدها بس 15 بدون اي فورمات. اوكي paste special values اللي هي exactly 15 صح او 11 whatever you have. ضرب excellent. اوكي excellent. شباب we'll have an exercise about this tomorrow ان شاء الله. Okay يلا you can close your computer, you close your files, don't save. The purpose of this exercise was only to show you that we can copy everything, but when we paste we only paste what we want. As example, who can give an example? What can you paste? لا. What can you paste? Yes. I copy everything. Give an example of paste. Number or values. Okay. Or we can paste comments. Or we can paste formats. We don't use colors. Formats. Everything. Well, whatever you want. Whatever you want. If you are working on your own document, on your own worksheet, you can do whatever you want. But when you are working in a question or a final exam or a quiz, you do what the question is saying. Okay? If the question said paste special values, you do paste values. If the question said paste comment, you paste comment only. Okay? Clear? Any question? Perfect. Now we will see how to hide. Hide. What does it mean hide? إخفاء. We can hide rows and columns. يعني if I want to hide column F and column J and column H, I select on F, J, H, I also, right click, then hide, and this will hide them. But instead of having A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, I, J, I will have A, B, C, D, E, J. Because when you see the letters here, E and J, you will know that something is missing. If something is missing, that means these columns were hidden. Okay? Good question. How to show them again and how to unhide. It is important first to know where are the hidden columns or hidden rows. You select before and after. Before and after. قبل وبعد. Then right click and unhide. Okay? Yalla, try it please on your computers. I'll give you a small hint. Hide, in fact, is not doing hide. The hide is changing the width of the column to zero. يعني ايش الهايد؟ هذا الكولن J ها؟ بيصغر till the width is zero. اختفى. بالنسبة لك هو اختفى لكن هو in fact هو عمل ال width zero. If I selected to prove this for you, لا أثبت هالشيء لكم. I will select the same columns here, the same columns. Then I'm going to right click then column width. And I will change the column width to zero. Hide. Then click before and after. Right click, unhide. The first step ما كانت hide. The first step كانت zero. Huh? The second step عمل unhide. وبالتالي the first step was similar to hide. Okay. يلا repeat this before we leave today. So we continue with paste special. In paste special also we can do this. In the cell A1, I'm going to type Monday. And as you know, Monday. And as you know, we have the fill handle here. If I click and drag the fill handle, This will fill in all the days of the week, صح? I'm going to copy this range. I'm going to copy. And I will go to a new sheet. And in this new sheet, I will paste. If you paste, this will paste the same thing from this sheet to this sheet, صح? Okay. When I did the paste, I did Control V. Okay. Now I will use paste special. I will copy this range, Control C. Then I will go to sheet 3. And instead of using Control V, I will right click, paste special. You have something called transpose. Transpose will copy it vertical, but will paste it horizontal. Try it. Yes, on your sheet, in the cell A1, type Monday, Tuesday, and then use the fill. Only Sunday, then use the fill handle. You click and drag. Continue, شباب. One of the mistakes that I saw you doing was this. Instead of copying the range exactly, you did this. Instead of copying the range exactly, you did this. You clicked on A and you copied everything in this column. When you do this, you cannot transpose anymore. هيعطيك error message. Okay, but don't select all the columns, but instead select only this range. Control C, then I go there and I right click, paste special. Okay. I'll show you something, and I want you to try it. A new sheet. I'm going to type 4, 7 equal 4 plus 7. Okay? You can do this, huh? Okay. And I'm going to change the fill color to green. How can I know that this is green? Because when I put the mouse on it, I'm seeing green. The one next to it is not green. The one next to it is called light green. But I'm going to change the font, the fill color to green. And I will change the font color to red. And I will change the size to 22. And we have something in Excel. We will discuss it later, but I'm going to tell you about it now, which is comment. So I'm going to insert a comment. Comment يعني بالعربي تعليق. This is the sum. Okay? But here I have like note. Excellent. In this cell اللي هي E3 I have formula, I have format, and I have comment. Okay? What I'm going to do is the following. هكتب format here. Format only. I'm going to copy the cell. I'm going to copy everything. But when I'm going to paste, I will paste whatever I want. Here, I want to paste only the format. Right click. Paste, لا. Values, no. Formula, no. Transpose, no. Formatting. So I copied only the format. Here, I want to copy the values. So again, I copy and I paste what? Values. Okay? Here, I want to copy and paste the comment. We can copy the comment also. Right click, copy. Right click, comment. Formula, transpose, formatting, link. No. But for this, you go to paste special. And paste special, this will show you all possible paste options. And I will choose, I don't know, comments. Then OK. And now I have here the comment. Copy everything. يا paste للcomment, يا paste للvalues, or paste للformula. You can paste whatever you want. Okay? يلا. Do this on your computer today.